So guys, I found a legit app. Like, I found a paying app that can pay you just by advertising their products. And the beautiful part of it is that you can make your own video and post it on their channel and you get paid. Finally, I tested this app. This is the best app I have tested so far, and I was able to earn this amount of money we are seeing right now. So I decided to show it to you guys. Like, I don't want to keep everything. So if you are interested in this particular app, you want to know how it works, how you can get your money, and make sure you watch this very video to the end, because I'm going to review everything. Like, people are claiming that this particular app is paying. So I have to call my friend and told him that, guys, there is this app that people are being in, we tested it, and guys, massive. And you know that I don't bring any fake update here. I only bring legit updates, unless it didn't work for me. Okay, and I'm going to show you everything, how you are going to set it up. So let's dive in. But before I show you, hold on. What you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on all your notification bell, all of them, so that anytime I drop videos on this particular channel, you'll be the first person that is going to watch it before it reaches thousands of people.
The name of this app that actually get you paid by advertising, posting, and also watching videos is called Method app. Yes, I want you to type Method app on your Chrome browser or your Safari, okay, depending on the browser you are using and depending on the phone you are using. So once you type on it, click on the search. Now once you click on the search, once it's open, now you can see the website icon is called Method app. Okay, you click on their official website. Now once you click on their official website, it will bring you to this interface. Now can you see that here they said over 324,095 plus brands and creators. Now as you can see, the more you are watching it, the more it's increasing. Can you see it now? Is increasing from 99 to 102, to show that many brands and creators are getting paid in this particular website. Now they say the new way for you to make money. Hold on, I'm still going to show you how you are going to sign up so that you can actually get paid, just like my payment proof I showed you earlier. Okay, now here they say the new way for brands to make money. Yes, brands, founders, everybody can actually make money from this particular app, and it's a low competitive website. Not everybody know it. Is a less known website. Okay, this is where you can actually get started. Now I want to show you something. Just hold on before I will show you how you are actually going to sign in. Now once you look at this particular dashboard, you can see this is a particular individual dashboard. Now in the last 14 days, this person was actually able to make about $7,660. Okay, now you can see the total earnings, but this one right here is just in 14 days. Just 14 days, because in this method ad you can actually make up to $15, $20, $30, depending on how much you were able to get paid from your work. Okay, but this is a total earning this person actually make. Now here they say method help you make money online. We help creators get paid and help brands find the best creators. Guys, if you are not making use of this particular app, this particular website right now to make a lot of money, you are leaving money on your table, because this particular app will actually help you get paid for you to advertise brands, watch videos, and you can also post your video. So you can actually find brand deals through this particular room, and you can get paid to create viral content. And the viral content you are creating is not long form content, it's just short videos. You can actually get paid by creating viral short content. Okay, now if you want to join it, you just click on this explore. Okay, over $1 million paid to creators. Guys, this is so massive and this is so huge. Do you know amount of money that this particular website is paying to creators, is paying to users who are using this particular platform? Guys, I am so lucky to be part of them. Over 1 million creators are getting paid from this particular apps and over 20,000 plus 5-star reviews from real users. Guys, can you see these people that are just flipping from this screen, how much they were able to earn from this particular app? This one was able to earn $55,000 in, this one was able to earn $30 in, and a lot of them. So now you can actually get started with this particular method for free. Yes, and you can make up to $40 from your first video. Guys, can you see? Yes, have you ever heard about an app that pay you $40 for just your first video, making your first video? This one is not that they will tell you this app claims that you make so amount, at the end they will not give to you any money, but this one is a sure bet. I'm going to show you how you are going to sign in. Yes, let's start from how you are going to sign in. Okay, now, so all you have to do is come over here. So once you come over here, see this sign up. But before I show you how to sign up, do it to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you get more online paying apps. For you to sign in is actually click on this sign up button. Once you click on this sign up button, then it will bring you to this interface. Now this is where you can actually create your account. You can actually use your email or use your Google, yes, or you can actually use your phone number, but I will only advise you to use your email or your Google, because if you use your phone number is not that kind strong. Use your email. So I'll click on my email or your Google. Okay, so once you click on my email, I'll click on my email, then click on continue. So once you click on continue, to start checking the email, to start to know if that email is actually a valid email, because you use a valid email. Okay, now once it has opened, it will bring you to this part where you actually include your first name. Here you put your first name. Let me say my first name is Chidera, because my name is Dera. I too like money. Then my last name can be Mike. So once you have input it, you now click on this send code. Now this code, they will now send it to your email, to the email you input. Now you go and check in that email to see if you can see 6-digit code. Okay, but if you do not see any 6-digit code in just maybe say in 1 minute, you click on this resend code and it will be resent. Okay, so now let me go and check my email. Now go to your email. Now can you see my email right here? All you have to do is copy it. Yes, once you copy it, I'll copy it, come over and paste it, 6-digit code. I'll paste it, then click on verify code. Once you click on verify code, guys, they will start verifying the code together with the email to make sure that the code is sent on the right email. While we are waiting for it to verify, do it to hit this like button and tell me in the comment section where you are watching this video from, and if you actually try this particular website. Once it has finished verifying, it will bring you to this interface where you have to best describe you. Are you here as a creator, or are you here as a brand? Are you here as an influencer, manager, agency, app builder, editor, founder, and others? I'll click on brand. Once you click on brand, you click on continue. Then here you are going to identify your goal. Are you here to earn more money, grow an audience, find brand deals, collect payments, manage collaboration, track analytics, network with creators? Okay, so you have to choose the one that best describes your goal. Never forget it. Let's say I want to earn more money, because we too like money. Okay, you click on continue. Now they are going to ask you the tool you will be using now, like the tools you will be using to make this particular work. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll have to click on strip. I'll click on continue. How much do you want to be earning in a single month, like monthly? How much do you want them to be paying you? Guys, I know this is the beautiful part we have waiting, but calm down. We are going to earn a lot of money. I'm going to teach you. Don't be too greedy, okay? Because I know this money is juicy and enticing. Let me say $5K to $10K. You click on continue. Now they are going to ask you, what is your target earning for next month? Let's say 2 times my earning. Click on continue. Then here they are going to ask you to what is stopping you from reaching your target earnings. I'll click on finding brand. I'll click on analyze. Now here they'll have to analyze your answer. Okay, like they say, stop wasting time searching for creators. What they will do is to get you matched with pre-vetted creators who actually fit in your brand. Guys, do you see how these people make this work very, very easy for us, for you to navigate? You don't need to find it difficult finding brand or creators who are also in the same thing with you. They will just help you match those creators, because what you are looking for, many people are also in that same target, so as other ones category. Now you click on next. It will not ask you make money on method versus other platform. Like other platform, you can actually make money from this particular method. Now all these things that are popping up are what they are showing you, how much views you can make on a post and how much views each particular platform. Just click on get started. Once you get started, now you are going to put your platform, your Instagram. Let's say my Instagram is, I'll just pick this, I'll just write any official Instagram. Gabriel. So then come here and put your username. If you don't have TikTok, you can actually choose YouTube. Yes, I have YouTube. I'll say Dara likes money. Okay, then yeah, if you don't have Instagram, you can just click here and select whichever one you have. Okay, so now once you click here, you click on continue. Now they will say how did you hear about this particular method? Is it from my own channel or anyway? Just tell them where you heard about this website. Okay, if you are hearing it for the first time from this my channel, then congratulations, you have to identify YouTube or a friend. Okay, let's say you heard it from YouTube, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you have to put a referral code. So if you don't have any, you have to skip it. Okay, you click on finish. Okay, once you click on finish, they'll ask you, where do you like to start? Do you want to start by finding creators to work with, or start campaign where you can launch a new campaign, or pay creators to manage your channel or your page, your Facebook page or anything? Then generate scripts, create content with AI. Let's say I want to find a creator to work with. You click on continue. Then guys, we are open. So now you are going to be trying it. They will give you a free trial for 3 days. And once they give you a free trial for 3 days, that means that you're under probation. They're trying to text you and see what you are capable of. So you have to click on try free for 3 days. Once you click on try free for 3 days, it said subscribe to method, get full access to everything on method for 3 days. So yeah, you can actually get it with $39. Okay, $39. But don't worry. Okay, don't worry. If you actually want to make this amount, you just come back. So can you see that this particular app is very free, beginner friendly? Anyone can apply, anyone can earn, anyone can do it, anyone can open an account with these people. You find a brand, get paid, create your viral content, your shorts and everything, and you get paid. So can you see, how do you see this particular app? How do you see it? Like, I want you to be honest with me. How did you see this particular app? Because me, I see it as a good app. At least I have made up to my my first dollar from my first video. Okay, so if you still want me to teach you how you are going to upload your video from this particular app, because I'm still there is one app I used to upload it. Okay, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to show you and make another video about it, because I don't want to make everything at once. This video is going to be too long, so because of the time factor, I'll actually have to stop it here. So if you actually find this video interesting, helpful, do it to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.